I'm going to demonstrate the Rapid Fix dual adhesive system. It's not as it first looks. It's not a two-part epoxy situation. It's actually a powder similar to a graphite powder, which you sprinkle on over cracks, joins, between two parts to put them together. And then once you're satisfied with the amount, the coverage, you then add 1 or 2 drops of the fluid, which is basically your super glue. It sets the powder solid instantly, and it's then good for sanding, tapping, drilling immediately after. It sets rock solid straight away, so it's a good quick fix for metal, aluminium, all your plastics as well, cracks in radiators. In this instance, I'm just going to show you a simple join with a nut to a head of a bolt. The powder goes on. Just a single drop to the top there. As I say, sets instantly. You can then run it round. And repeat. So that's going to stay on permanently.